Something extraordinary is happening behind the closed doors of the handheld gaming industry, and it is about to completely ruin our understanding of what mobile hardware can do. For the last few years, portable gaming has felt like a series of compromises. We have grown completely used to the standard routine of lowering our graphics settings, sacrificing frame rates, and watching our battery percentages plummet to zero in less than 90 minutes just to play our favorite desktop games on the go. But what Asus is engineering for the highly anticipated ROG Ally 2 isn't just a minor iteration or a routine spec bump. It is a radical, hyper-aggressive assault on traditional mobile silicon that aims to permanently destroy the boundary between a massive, power-hungry desktop gaming rig and a sleek handheld console that slips right into your backpack. If you think portable gaming devices have reached their absolute structural and performance limits, you are about to be proven completely wrong. There is a specific reason why Silicon Valley insiders are calling this upcoming device a massive threat to traditional console makers. A machine so disruptive it could render current gaming laptops obsolete overnight. Think about how you interact with a handheld device today. You boot up a modern, visually demanding game, and you immediately have to spend 15 minutes tweaking settings, lowering resolutions, and turning on aggressive upscaling just to get a stable 60 frames per second. And the moment the action gets intense, the device heats up, the internal fans start screaming like a jet engine, and your battery dies before you can even finish a single level. Asus is completely ripping up that old playbook. They are pushing the absolute laws of thermodynamics and semiconductor design to introduce capabilities that sound like science fiction. To truly understand the gravity of what is coming, you have to look past the beautiful, ergonomic exterior. You have to look at the silent engineering war being fought inside the chassis. A war measured in nanometer-scale manufacturing and revolutionary architecture efficiency. The internal systems driving this upcoming powerhouse are built to handle sustained, desktop-grade graphical workloads without breaking a single sweat. This isn't just about a faster processor or a slightly nicer shell. This is about a true desktop-class gaming experience that conforms entirely to your life, delivering flawless performance whether you are on a cross-country flight, sitting in a coffee shop, or relaxing on your couch. Let us look at the single most important element you interact with, the display. Over the years, handheld screens have gotten progressively smoother, but Asus's display engineering team has achieved a massive breakthrough in panel responsiveness and variable synchronization. The display technology planned for the ROG Ally 2 isn't just about pushing high refresh rates or blinding peak brightness levels to fight direct sunlight. It is an intelligent, low-latency visual matrix that fundamentally alters how game frames are delivered to your eyes. Imagine a panel that dynamically synchronizes its refresh rate down to the single millisecond, eliminating any hint of screen tearing or stuttering even when a game drops into demanding, heavy action sequences. The visual clarity is engineered to eliminate motion blur completely, making fast-paced competitive shooters and high-speed racing games look incredibly crisp, as if the digital world is a physical window floating right between your hands. Every pixel updates with a fluid responsiveness that feels completely instantaneous, ensuring that your inputs are reflected on screen without a single microsecond of perceived delay. But extreme visual fidelity and raw computing power are completely useless if a portable machine cannot handle the intense heat generated by modern graphical processors. When you pack desktop-grade power into an ultra-slim, handheld chassis, thermal throttling becomes your absolute worst enemy. Traditional handhelds handle heat by aggressively